Hello guys, welcome to the home screen of my iPhone. Today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing for you CoPilot Live, which is a GPS satellite navigation system. Now on here I have the Europe Premium HD version. If I just press it there, it'll boot up.
Welcome to CoPilot Live.
Let's get started. So you can view the map straight off, or you can set a destination. If we go to new destination, we've got a variety of options here, so we can type in an address including postcodes, my places, which is all your favourites, points of interest, which is what you'd expect, post offices, petrol stations, restaurants, hotels. You can navigate to a contact, you have addresses stored against your contact. You can browse the map, so you can literally just go anywhere you like. Photo nav, which will navigate to the GPS location of one of your photographs. Coordinates, where it's obviously type in decimal degrees or OS coordinates of where you want to go. All those things allow you to navigate to a point. I'll do a demonstration of the navigation in a moment. And the route obviously shows you route guidance, active traffic, which is a subscription-based service. In the settings, there's loads of options. The way the map's displayed, so point of interest alerts, 2D display settings, all the colours of the maps, guidance, how it guides you, so warning, distances, background navigation, that kind of thing. Safety cameras, whether it warns you about safety cameras coming up. Speed limits, you can set it to warn you if you go 20 miles an hour over the speed limit, or whichever speed limit you set. Themes, there's many different themes you can choose from. Halloween themes, that's a good one. Awareness theme, these are all things you can buy, but some of them go to charity, which is really good. Then there's obviously all the power saving options, so if it stays on in the background, the units of measurement, so you can use kilometres instead of miles. Loads more settings in here. You've got Facebook check-ins, you could get it to tell your Facebook friends when you've arrived at this location, get the weather at the location, navigate to parking around the local area, all these things. So I will now show you a demo of the navigation in progress. So at the bottom of the screen we have on the left the amount of miles there is to our destination, on the right the time that we are estimated to arrive at our destination, in the middle is the next junction, so in this case it's a first exit at a roundabout. Above that it shows the next command after that, so another roundabout. At the bottom it shows a text representation of your next command, so obviously first exit, and then it shows you what road you're going on. There's also a menu button which you can access features such as what kind of map you want to use, as in 2D or 3D, the directions, detour, so if you want to avoid the next mile, that kind of thing. In there also you've got find points of interest, where you can look for hotels, restaurants, petrol stations, all the things. I think you can do a Google search on that, so it's really handy. Also you've got the My Route, where you can view your current route, and if you've got the traffic update, which we have, it also shows you any disruptions along the way. On the right there's this bar here which shows your route as a whole. If there's any traffic disruptions on the way, it will show a red blip on the line. At the moment obviously we've got a nice clean route without any delays. If it calculates the delay is going to take you longer than a reroute, then it will automatically do a detour for you.
In 1 mile, take first exit at roundabout.
It gives you your first warning a mile out from the junction. As you get closer, it's going to give you another prompt.
In 500 yards, take first exit at roundabout. Just ahead, take first exit at roundabout.
When you come to a stop, it shows points of interest on the map, so you can see where your local things that you can go to are, hospitals, and there's a BP garage on the corner there you can see, which is just there, very nice. Obviously when you're moving, it doesn't allow you to see the points of interest for safety reasons.
In 500 yards, take third exit at roundabout. Just ahead, Take third exit at roundabout.
So when you get towards motorways, you start seeing blue signs on the screen, and they correspond to the exact same blue signs that you're going to see on the motorway. Yep. Okay, so one of the features is the point of interest search, where you can find things nearby you. So if I go to the menu, go to Find POIs, brings up the list of things I can find: restaurants, hotels, petrol stations. There's loads more categories too. At the bottom here, more categories. If I go, for example, to petrol stations, it comes up with a list of all petrol stations near me. So I'm actually parked in an Esso right now, so an Esso is 0 miles away from me. But there's also an Esso, Total, Texaco, BP. BP ones are shown on the map with a nice BP logo. So there we have it, guys, CoPilot Live. I find it a really handy sat-nav. All the maps are stored on your device, so there's no need for mobile data, which means it's not going to eat into your data caps, it's not going to break down if you lose signal. The premium version comes with the maps that obviously you choose. This is the Europe edition, so it's got all of Europe's maps. You can get the UK edition, which is slightly cheaper. It comes with voice turn-by-turn navigation. There is a free version of this app. It comes with a map, however it doesn't come with the turn-by-turn navigation, so isn't as useful. You probably want to upgrade on that one. There is an iPad version of CoPilot. I'll give you a quick demo of that now. Now the iPad version is identical to the iPhone version. Obviously it's a larger scale device though, so go on CoPilot Live here. You've got an identical interface, all the same things, but on the iPad larger screen. Now, Premium comes with HD maps, so obviously they're optimized for the iPad, display much nicely on the iPad. You can browse around the maps using all the standard touchscreen gestures. This only works on the 3G version, as that has a GPS. If you have been, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.